Before beginning assembly, make sure you have all your parts and hardware. Firmly press each caster into the base until you hear a click. Insert the extension tube into the base. Then insert the footrest, followed by the gas lift. The arrow on the mechanism should face towards the front of the chair. Attach the mechanism using the included screws. Fasten each screw in an alternating cross pattern as shown here. Your arms are labeled right and left. Attach the arms to the backrest. Repeat this process on the opposite side. Next, connect your backrest to the bottom of the seat cushion. Firmly place your seat onto the gas lift. Your final step of assembly is to sit on your new chair to firmly engage the mechanism onto the gas lift.